This is a soil compaction machine. Soil compaction is the removal of air from the soil particles by applying weight, in order to provide the necessary flat base to support roads, railways, buildings and any other construction structures. Manufactured by Landpack, this machine transfers compaction energy into the soil by means of the lifting and falling motion of non-circular rotating masses. Unlike the conventional vibratory compactors, Landpack compactor uses high-energy impact compaction, which can transfer 10 to 25 kilojoules of compaction energy into the soil at a speed of up to 5 times faster. This allows the Landpack compactor to compact up to 10 times more volume than conventional compactors. This is a Poncelet water wheel. It is a prototype of hydrokinetic turbine which can produce 7.5 kilowatts electricity at 50 revolutions per minute. Hydrokinetic turbines are more suitable to convert kinetic energy in the river and marine currents. They are the best solutions to provide electricity to non-interconnected areas like islands and rural areas close to rivers. This water wheel technology could replace the diesels with a source of green power that is available 24/7 in those areas. The water wheel is manufactured by Naring Industries and it is currently in developmental stage, optimizing blade profiles for efficiency. This agricultural machine automates the process of transplanting seedlings to the field. It is called the agriplanter. Attached to the tractor, this machine can plant 4 rows of plants simultaneously, separated 50 to 75 centimeters apart. With its 229 centimeters width and 310 centimeters height, it can plant up to 44,000 plants in 1 hour. With its 10.7 tons of weight, this mobile multipurpose excavator can produce the same power as the 20-ton excavator. Meet the Menzi Muck M5. With its crossing hydraulic legs for several types of drive, this walking/spider excavator can work in any terrain even with the most difficult conditions. M5 is equipped with 4-cylinder 157 horsepower Deutz turbo diesel engine and can travel up to a speed of 15 km per hour. Thanks to the adjustable wheel and claw supports, its fixed tilting edges can be adjusted depending on the task ahead. As a result, it produces lifting and gripping forces beyond those of conventional excavators. This machine not only makes road cleaning easier, but also makes it efficient, economical and safe. It is called the CityMaster 2200. With its reliable sweeping and intake systems, combined with environmentally friendly state-of-the-art machine technology, and an extra-large dirt hopper, this machine is a professional solution for comprehensive municipal all-season employment. In addition to its function as a professional sweeper, the CityMaster 2200 is extremely flexible in use. Its quick change system enables easy demounting of the sweeping technology so that the machine can be used for wet cleaning, including sluicing and scrubbing, or winter service tasks such as snow clearing and gritting. It is called the Super Splitter. This machine helps you to split huge logs down to manageable sizes. With its sturdy beam frame and 76-ton splitting force, the Super Splitter can split log of up to 1 meter in diameter and 24 centimeters length. The Super Splitter is equipped with wireless remote control that allows you to split logs from a distance. Manufactured by Bell's Machining, the Super Splitter can connect directly to Bell's firewood processor, so no extra power sources or engines are required. What do you think about these machines? Which one impressed you? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.